Today, we are going to share the actual installation of the external auxiliary lighting. And this one, the 3-inch integrated 3-color integrated fisheye fog lights. We are currently doing the pre-work. We're finished with the preparation. Okay, we continue with it. Installation of plug-in auxiliary lighting. Pre-assignment. Convenient for subsequent wiring. Dismantle the license plate and install the auxiliary lighting bracket. Connect with the electricity. Install auxiliary lighting. Finished. What's the first step? We need to replace the entire original light bulb. Take it all apart. There is a small screw. Long and short feet. This one is in front and this one is in the back. It's like this in this direction. Then put the one with words on top. Enter from the back. Go in this way. When you turn it, you have to press this first to make it work properly. This is adjustment. It's the adjustment screw for height. And aim it. Okay, great. Before, I installed this 2.5-inch and I need to change bulb, a replaceable fisheye lens. So what we're installing now is a 3-inch one, a fisheye lens that can switch between 3 colors. The brightness of the effect has been significantly improved. And it comes in 3 colors. There are more choices for daily driving experience. Let's take a look at the effect then. This is white light, yellow light, and warm white. Distant lights. Can you see it? The distant lamp also changes its color according to your preference. The effect is really great. Okay then. Then, we just have to wait for tonight to try the effect at night and on the highway. How much have these 2 new installations improved? Let's go. Auxiliary lighting is turned on. Only the headlights are on. Auxiliary lighting is turned on. External auxiliary lighting. Three-inch all-in-one fisheye fog light. Warm white, yellow, white,